When we talk about automations, most of the time we're dealing with text, like passing data between steps in a workflow. But what about files? Files add another layer of complexity because they often need to be downloaded, processed, and then uploaded to their destination. In this video, we'll show you how to pass files between automation steps in Activepieces. Passing files can be incredibly useful for workflows where you're working with documents, images, or audio. For example, you might want to move a file from one cloud storage platform to another or process it with a specific tool. But here's the thing, not every piece in Activepieces supports file handling. That's why it's important to understand when and how you can use this feature effectively. To demonstrate, we'll set up a flow that takes an audio file stored in Google Drive and upload it to a private Slack channel called Voice Notes. This is perfect for organizing your recorded thoughts into one centralized place so you can easily access them anytime. Now, let's dive into the details of how this works. First, let's create a new flow. We're building this one from scratch to show you the process step by step. For our trigger, we'll choose New File under the Google Drive options. This will allow the flow to activate whenever a new file is uploaded to a specific folder. Next, we'll connect our Google Drive account. This connection ensures that Activepieces can access the files stored in your Google Drive securely. Now, under Parent folder, we'll select the folder we want to monitor for new uploads. In this case, it's Voice Notes. This tells Activepieces where to look for files. Before moving on, let's load the sample data to ensure everything is working correctly. This step is critical because it confirms that Activepieces can find a file inside the folder. When you see the green check mark, you'll know that the test was successful. Now, for the first action, we'll need Google Drive to read the file. This step might seem a bit technical, but it's necessary because reading the file allows Activepieces to process and handle its contents accurately. Without this step, Activepieces won't know what the file contains, and we wouldn't be able to use it in later actions. To set this up, search for Google Drive and select Read File. Once again, we'll connect our Google Drive account to ensure it can access the file. Under File ID, you'll want to pass data from the trigger step, specifically the ID of the new file detected. This tells Activepieces exactly which file to read. For the destination file name, we'll also select the file ID. This ensures there are no naming conflicts or errors during the process. Next, we'll test the step to confirm Google Drive can read the file correctly. Once this test is successful, indicated by a green check mark, we are ready to move on. The next action is to upload the file to Slack. Click the plus icon to create a new action, then search for Slack and select Upload File as the action. First, we'll connect our Slack account. This ensures Activepieces can send the file to your Slack workspace. For the attachment, we'll use the result from the Read File action. This is the file data Google Drive just processed, and it's now ready to be sent to Slack. We'll skip the title field and set the file name to match the original file name from the Google Drive folder. This helps ensure consistency in your file organization. Finally, for the channel, we'll select Voice Notes, our private Slack channel, where these files will be stored. If everything is set up correctly, the file will appear in the Slack channel. You'll be able to see your voice note uploaded and ready for easy access. And that's how you can work with files in Activepieces. By passing files between steps, you unlock a whole new level of automation, whether it's organizing audio files, transferring documents, or sharing images. What's even better is that many of our community members have created their own workflows and shared them through videos. For example, Alex made a fantastic video showcasing how he transcribes voice notes from Google Drive to Notion. If you'd like to see more examples like this or share your own workflows, join our community. It's a great place to learn, connect, and get inspired by what others are building. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're loving the Activepieces 101 series. See you in the next video.